Team Curlew. Once again, we here in the morning try to make some chicken wraps. You know, my wife get to work when it come on to the kitchen. You know what I'm talking about. So we got some chicken wraps gonna deal with today. You know what I'm saying? And this time we're gonna put it on the grill. So we got a grill right here. So here we got our chicken wraps on the grill right here. Having a little warm, tender touch, you know. Can't wait to unwrap one of these foil. This is no greater cake. That drops. A chicken wraps. Second one, this a. Yeah, I miss this a taste, yeah. Dark. So they married to a woman that love the kitchen more than bedroom. This is a result, man. Kitchen more than bedroom, she love. I don't know. Just flick off a road lily right now. This me flick to steakhouse. Shrimp and all.
When you feed your husband some good fried lobster and conch.
I best type of food than you. I don't know.